Welcome to our channel. If you're experiencing issues with MyChart not syncing your health information or encountering login errors, follow these step-by-step instructions to resolve the problem. Step 1. Open your device settings and navigate to the App section. Find the MyChart app in your list and tap on it to access app settings. Step 2. Select Storage or Storage and Cache, then tap Clear Cache to remove temporary files. If syncing issues continue, also tap Clear Data. But note this will require you to sign in again. Step 3. Force close the MyChart app from your settings, then swipe it away from your recent apps. Make sure the app is completely shut down before reopening. Step 4. Check your internet connection by testing other apps or websites. MyChart requires a stable connection to sync data with your healthcare provider's system. Step 5. Visit your App Store and search for MyChart. Install any available updates to ensure you have the latest version with bug fixes and security improvements. Step 6. If you're having login issues, verify your username and password are correct. You may need to reset your password through the Forgot Password option on the login screen. Step 7. If problems persist, uninstall the MyChart app completely and reinstall it from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Sign back in using your correct credentials and check that your health records sync properly. Contact your healthcare provider's MyChart support team if sync issues continue. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.